versus si Alicia Mindful Minstrel Lizaria outside Makisig in third. Then followed by Diana Beatrice Reward Forever Sweet. That is good. Vico JJL and One Direction is the early trailer. Now we have Mindful Minstrel by the line, si Alicia in second. Then 3 lines away in third, Makisig. Sweet, that is going fourth. Reward for effort, Diana Beatrice and Vico. Mindful Minstrel by the line, si Alicia in second. Makisig is racing in third. Sweet, that is going fourth. Reward for effort in fifth. Mindful Minstrel, si Alicia, Makisig in third. Sweet, that is going remains in fourth. And Reward for effort. Running on the outside, Mindful Minstrel, Makisig, si Alicia. Sweet, that is going Reward for effort. Mindful Minstrel, still the leader. Si Alicia is running by Drala. Then racing in third, Makisig. Sweet, that is girl. Then followed by Reward for effort. And it's still Mindful Minstrel by the line. Si Alicia still in second. Makisig in third. Sweet, that is girl as they come down at the last 150. Mindful Minstrel. Si Alicia is running by Drala. Makisig. Mindful Minstrel still in front by about 3 lengths. Diana Beatrice on the outside, si Alicia, Be Cool, and finally Mindful Minstrel. Second, close, Diana Beatrice, si Alicia, Be Cool, J. Jewel.
Okay, para po dito sa ating race number 7, ito po ang ating unofficial winner, numero 5, Mindful Minstrels, nagtala ng 13, 25, 25, finishing at 28 with a total 131 para sa distansyang 1,000.